Is there any way to stop Windows 8 from restarting for an update? My Windows 8 machine is going to restart shortly. I have tried a few techniques such as shutdown/A, which is not having much luck. Short of pausing the Windows Update service, is there any way to stop this restart from happening? Update. Looks like the restart is all talk and no action. The time has gone and I am presented with this. So, it goes along with the top answer here, which I shall shortly accept. Update again. It did reset. My battery went critical and it turned itself off. I turned it back on, out of suspend. When it was plugged in, I logged in and the first thing it did was automatically restart, closing my open tabs in Chrome frown. Oh well.
This answer may be incomplete for current Windows builds. Windows has something called Update Orchestrator that runs a one-off task that will reboot as needed by servicing. Windows seems to repair this task when users try to nullify it, but working permissions on the tasks file seems to be a rational solution, and may now also be a requirement to prevent automatic restarts. I had a machine spend a week analyzing a destroyed NAS RAID 5 array across 4 4TB disks. It completed successfully and was ready to do recovery. I let the program sit there while I prepared to assemble the target resources. It automatically restarted while idling here. Original answer follows. Updates are always welcomed, and I like to think in software as complex as the likes of Windows NT indicate good health, or at least the desire for resilience. So I say assume good faith in claims of urgency. But if they're destroying your work, here's some group policy that considers your situation. Tested solution in upper segment Windows. Take a look at the group policy settings for Windows Update in Get-it.msc. In particular, no auto restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic updates installations. They are in. Essentials segment Windows users. A Catalep contributes the following solution for users of products offering the Essential NT experience. For non-professional versions of Windows that don't have Group Policy Editor, Get-it.msc, you can accomplish the same thing as above in the Registry Editor. Navigate to this node. You may need to run it as administrator. There, create a new Word, 32-bit, value named node or boot with logodonusers and set the value to 1. Then reboot for the change to take effect. CPEAT stop Windows 8 rebooting due to updates for steps.
Run services.msc. Right-click the Windows Update service and stop it. This can prevent a scheduled restart even if you have been warned by Windows it will happen. Oddly enough, stopping the service with the net stop wowserv command does not seem to cancel restarting. Of course, after a reboot, Windows can still restart. If you don't have access to Get-it.msc, and thus can't apply Louis more permanent solution, I suggest you go to Windows Update settings and set it to download automatically, but with manual install.
If you want to support that channel, please consider subscribing.